A very challenging and often disheartening moment for any gamer or daily PC user is encountering GPU overheating. It's the heart of your machine, and when it struggles, it will definitely ruin your experience. Let's first identify the signs of overheating to better understand the problem. Common indicators include loud fan noise, sudden performance drops, graphical glitches, or even unexpected shutdowns. While playing games, you may notice your game becoming laggy over time or stuttering. These are clear signals that your GPU needs immediate attention. Now, whether you're using a desktop or laptop, the first thing to do is put your PC in power saving mode. Secondly, you need to enable power saving settings for your GPU as well. This is important. If you're using an AMD GPU, great. AMD provides options to adjust GPU fan speeds. Increase the fan speed if the fans are functioning properly, otherwise, follow the additional instructions. I'm using an NVIDIA GPU, but AMD users can also enable power saving mode on their GPUs. This setting prevents the GPU from running at full performance, thereby reducing heat generation. If your GPU supports MSI Afterburner, download it and set a temperature limit, typically between 75 degrees Celsius and 85 degrees Celsius. Then try gaming or performing any intensive task and monitor the temperature. If it remains unstable, it means you may need to underclock your GPU. If that doesn't work, it's likely due to degraded thermal paste or hardware issues, and it may be time to replace your GPU. Another very helpful tool is Part Control. This tool allows you to lower your CPU performance by disabling certain cores, which can indirectly help reduce GPU load by limiting graphic processing tasks. Step by step, setting your PC to low performance open settings and go to the System tab. Look for Power and Battery in Windows 11. The steps are similar in Windows 10. Select Power Mode and set it to Best Power Efficiency or Low Power Saving. Lastly, use MSI Afterburner. MSI Afterburner is an invaluable tool for managing your GPU. You can set a temperature limit, preferably between 75 degrees Celsius and 85 degrees Celsius. By capping the temperature, you ensure your GPU doesn't exceed safe operating limits. It also allows you to tweak fan speeds and lower performance levels to minimize overheating risks. Long-term fixes. While quick fixes may work temporarily, here are some long-term solutions. Replace thermal paste. Over time, the thermal paste between your GPU and its cooler degrades, leading to poor heat dissipation. If you're comfortable doing it yourself, go ahead. Otherwise, visit a professional. Monitor GPU usage. Excessive strain can wear out your GPU faster. Be mindful of prolonged gaming or resource-intensive applications. Check GPU fans. Damaged or inefficient fans are often the main culprits. Dust buildup or low-quality components might also be to blame. DIY fan fix. If replacing the GPU fan isn't an option, consider attaching a 12-volt external fan. Disconnect the original GPU fan wires and connect the external fan. This is a useful technique if your GPU fans aren't working properly. All your GPU needs is good airflow, and a 12-volt fan provides sufficient cooling. Personally, I use this method, and it keeps my GPU temperature stable. These are the most practical steps to address GPU overheating. While these solutions can save your hardware in most cases, remember, prevention is always better than repair. Keep your system clean, monitor temperatures, and replace aging components as needed. That's it for today, guys. I hope this helps you a lot. If it does, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Who knows, we might save someone from spending money on a complete hardware replacement instead of a minor repair. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.